This is the Today screen. Your active protocols live here. These are the stacks you're currently running. To create a new one, tap the plus button at the top right. You'll get two options. From Template gives you a pre-built stack you can load and customize. Build manually lets you start from scratch and build exactly what you want. We'll cover both. The template library has curated protocols for common goals. You've got a BPC-157 and TB-500 healing stack, a semaglutide FDA titration schedule, and a CJC-1295 with ipamorelin growth hormone stack, along with many more templates. Each one is tagged with a category and duration so you know what you're working with before you load it. Tap any template to pull it into your profile. Now let's build manually. This is the Create Protocol screen. At the top, you'll notice the AI Stack Builder shortcut. We'll come back to that. First, choose your tracking type. Protocol supports three: peptide, supplement, and habit. For a peptide protocol, give it a name, set your start date, pick a color so it's easy to identify on your Today screen, and add any notes. The color picker gives you 8 options, useful if you're running multiple stacks at the same time. The supplement type works the same way. Same fields, same setup. Good for anything you're taking orally, vitamins, nootropics, whatever you're tracking alongside your peptide stack. Habit tracking lets you add non-compound behaviors to your protocol: sleep, hydration, training, whatever you want to log consistently alongside your compounds. Creating supplement and habit protocols is another reason why Protocol is a community favorite and the best peptide tracking app for serious health optimizers. Once you've named your protocol, it's time to add items. This is your inventory. Any peptide or compound you've already added to your inventory shows up here. Tap the one you want to add to this stack. Next, set your dose and administration route. Enter the amount in milligrams, then choose your route: subcutaneous, intramuscular, oral, nasal, or topical. Protocol covers the full range of how peptides are actually used. Now set your schedule. You can dose daily, twice daily, every X days, on specific days of the week, or weekly. Set the time, and then, this is where it gets powerful, you can configure cycling. Set your on weeks and off weeks directly in the app. If you're doing a titration protocol, toggle that on, and Protocol will walk you through the dose ramp. Once you've set everything, you'll see the confirmation: item added. You can keep adding more compounds to build out a full stack, or save the protocol and start tracking. Here's the completed protocol. You can see both compounds listed with their schedules. And right there at the bottom, the Research Assistant. In a previous video, we named our Research Assistant Bob in the app settings. Tap Ask Bob, Research this stack, and you get an AI-powered breakdown of the stack you just built. The Research Assistant pulls from the research and gives you a real answer. In this case, the question is whether there are other peptides worth adding to an injury stack. You can ask follow-up questions, dig into mechanisms, or get dosing context, right inside the app without leaving your protocol. And if you need to make changes later, just tap into any item in your protocol. You can update the dose, switch the route, adjust the schedule. Everything is editable after the fact. That's how you build protocols in the Protocol app. Whether you start from a template or build from scratch, the whole workflow takes under 2 minutes. Learn more at protocolapp.health and download the app for free.